Hello everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial on how to properly set up Fanuc tooling in Solidworks and upload it into Fanuc Roboguide. To get started, I find it helpful to set the robot's position to 0 for axis 4, 5, and 6. I will do this by utilizing the coordinates bar along the bottom of Roboguide software. Take note of the tool coordinate system's origin and direction. The origin is at the face of the end of arm, Z is away, and X is plus. So let's go to Solidworks and set up our end of arm tooling coordinate system so that it matches the robot's point and direction. So first, let's set the Z to the flange face. We will do this by mating it, the front plane, to the flange of the end of arm tooling. And let's take a look at our coordinate system. It matches. Z is away, X is plus, and Y is to the left. Now we have to save this as an IGES file, as that's what required in order to upload it into Roboguide. End of arm tooling assemblies. So now we are ready to import the end of arm tooling onto the robot arm's end face. And since we already have the origin set in Solidworks, we'll make it even easier. Open up User Tool 3 in the General tab in the CAD file. Let's browse for it. End of arm tooling assemblies, defer configuration. And then apply. As you see, our end of arm tooling is now on the end of the robot. But in this application, we actually need to rotate along the shaft's axis in our programming. So in order to do that, we actually want to move the origin of the tool from there to the center of the shaft. And the way we do that is in the User Tool tab. We'll just go from the top view. And you will, in the User Tool tab, we have to adjust the Z value. In order to find the Z value, go back to SolidWorks, and we will measure from the flange face to the piece part. And we'll take note of this distance of 302.16 millimeters. So in New Tool, we need to edit it, and from the Z value, we'll type into 302.16 millimeters. And you'll see now the origin is at the center of the shaft. So let's see why that is important. In this application, we're actually going to deburr 3 areas of this part, and then we need to rotate it in the rechucking station so that we can get the same features on the other side of the part. So we will start our program. As you can see, we're deburring one area, deburring the other area, and now we're going to rechuck it. So let's get an aerial view of this operation and show why it's important to set the origin of the center of the shaft. So let's continue our program. Now rotating it, and we're going to pick the part up from the other side now. So again, we can deburr it in the same fashion, but the other side of the part. So, thank you for watching. I hope you learned some good real-world practices to improve your Roboguide proficiency. Be sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can get notifications of new videos that I create and upload.